Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on this spooky spider design and I'm doing gel nails today. So we are using the Valentino Beauty Pure base coat. I'm going to apply this to my nail and then we are going to cure it for 60 seconds. The color that we're using today is Amy Lee. It is 022. It's just a light blush pink. It's super cute, as you can see on my thumb. Again, I'm just applying this to my entire nail, and I am going to take a little dot tool and just wipe around my cuticles so that I don't get any hardened gel on my skin. I'm going to repeat this process a couple more times, and I'm just going to let you guys watch this part through, and then I will be back when we are ready to file, and then we're going to do the French nail stamper hack. Okay, wiping with a alcohol wipe to get the sticky layer off, and then we will be able to file. Taking my Beauty Secrets 180 grit file, and I'm going to be shaping my nails a little bit, and then once I'm finished with this, we will go into the design. I'm using this Pewity shade in P282 and my Maniology stamper. I'm going to paint the color on the stamper and then the magic is going to happen. And just like that, perfect lines every time. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. This is my MEFA gel polish from Amazon that I'm going to be using, my Beetles brush that I'm going to be using, and a dotting tool that I will be using. Starting with my spider web, and I'm just going to draw a couple lines at first and then do some of the detail webs. Okay, curing that and moving on to the spider. I'm gonna draw his little line first and then use my dotting tool to make a round little circle. Next, I'll do his legs and then we will make him fluffy. Okay, I think he looks good. Now we are going to cure that and move on to his eyes. Finishing up his eyes, and then we will cure. And I will put on base and gel top coat, and that will finish up today's look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and here is the final look. I'll see you next time. Bye!